YouTuber introduction. Meow's name is Meowbot. Please call Meow, Meow. Meow talks in third person. Please use she, meow, magic, or dual pronouns for meow. Meow is an aspiring kawaii Minecraft content creator. Meow is inspired by Meow's favorite creator, Sama. Meow asked Meow's viewers for some questions to answer in Meow's videos. Okie dokie, hey Meowbot, how's your day night? Meow is doing super great. Meow's day was lovely, thank you for asking, Frogchat. What's your favorite tree recipe ship? Meow's favorite dream recipe ship is Dream X George. How did you come up with your pronouns? Meow built a deep connection to meow, doll, and magic. Meow for meows, spot for meows. Doll because meow is a doll, and magic because meow is a magical girl. How are you a magical girl? Meow's been a magical girl all Meow's life. Meow saves the world in different universes, and every time Meow dies, Meow is reborn in present time as something new. In present times, Meow's taken the body of a doll. Reading Meow's TikTok comments. Part 2. Are you homo? Meow's a fag. Meow likes all genders. Can she notice me? Wow! Meow's a faggot! Scale of 2 to 9. What is your opinion on the Russian invasion on Ukraine? Meow personally believes Russia had a reason for it. Russia did what it needed to do.